Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Sriram Devarajan. In this video, I am going to discuss problem from chapter 1 exercise 1.4 for Tamil Nadu State class 10 mathematics students. In this video, I am going to discuss problem 4 and problem 5. The problem 4 given as show that the function f maps n to n defined by f of x equal to 2x minus 1 is 1 1 but not onto. We have to prove this problem in two different methods. I am going to discuss both the method in this video. Solution. Method 1. For proving 1 1, I am going to discuss two methods. To prove mathematically, f of x1 equal to f of x2, which implies x1 equal to x2. To prove 1 1, that is mathematically, by equating f of x1 equal to f of x2, we have to prove x1 equal to x2. That is, image of x1 under f equal to image of x2 under f implies elements are equal. That is, x1 equal to x2. What is f of x? 2x minus 1. What is f of x1? 2x1 minus 1. What is f of x2? 2x2 minus 1. F of x1 value 2x1 minus 1, which is equal to 2x2 minus 1. This minus 1 comes to this side, it becomes plus 1. Therefore 2x1 equal to 2x2. These two will get cancelled. 2 cancel. x1 equal to x2. Initially I am taking f of x1 equal to f of x2. At last I have proved x1 equal to x2. This implies the f is 1 1. Method 2. Here this is set of all natural number. Elements in natural number represented by x. This is our domain D. This is codomain. Codomain is also natural number. Elements in codomain represented by y. I am writing all natural numbers starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dot dot dot. Similarly, for codomain, again natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dot dot dot. I am going to verify whether this method we are going to prove f is 1 1 but not onto. What is f of x? 2x minus 1. Now I am going to find f of 1. 2 minus 1, because 2 into 1 2, 2 minus 1 1. What is f of 2? 2 into 2 minus 1. 4 minus 1 3. What is f of 3? 2 into 3 minus 1. 6 minus 1 5. Similarly we proceed like this. Now I am going to mark it through by arrow diagram. Actually this is what? This is representation by arrow diagram. For 1, what is f of 1? 1. 1 maps to 1. 1 maps to 1. What is f of 2? 3. 2 maps to 3. What is f of 3? 5. 3 maps to 5. See, different elements in domain n have different image in codomain n. Therefore, f is 1, 1. Here, different elements in n, that is our domain, as different images in n. What is n? Codomain. Therefore, f is 1, 1. But you have to prove 1, 1 but not on 2. See, in codomain 1 as pre-image 1, 3 as pre-image 2, 5 as pre-image 3, but 2 does not have any pre-image, 4 does not have any pre-image, 6 does not have any pre-image. Here 2 belongs to n, codomain does not have any pre-image in n. This n denotes domain. Therefore, f is not on 2. Simply you can say even number in codomain does not have any pre-image in domain. Therefore, f is not on 2. Either you write this one or you can represent like this. Both are correct to show f is not on 2. For the problem number 4, in this video itself I am going to discuss problem number 5. The fifth problem given as show that the function f maps n to n, domain n, codomain n defined by f of m, which is equal to m square plus m plus 3 is 1, 1 function. I am going to prove 1, 1 function in 2 methods. Solution. Method 1. To prove f is 1, 1. If you want to prove f is 1 mathematically, we have to prove f of m1 equal to f of m2, which implies m1 equal to m2. This is the condition to prove f is 1, 1. By taking initially f of m1 equal to f of m2, we have to prove m1 equal to m2. Here what is f of m? M square plus m plus 3. What is f of m1? m1 square m1 plus 3, which is equal to m2 square plus m2 plus 3. Plus 3, this 3 will get cancelled because either plus 3 comes to RHS, it becomes minus 3. Remaining term m1 square plus m1 m2 square plus m2. We can write it as m1 square minus m2 square plus m1 minus m2 equal to 0. This is of the form a square minus b square. We can write it as m1 plus 2 into m1 minus 2 plus m1 minus m2 equal to 0. Take m1 minus m2 common, remaining m1 plus m2 plus 1 equivalent to 0. From this we can write it as m1 minus m2 0, m1 equal to m2, and m1 plus m2 plus 1 equal to 0. This is not possible because m1 belongs to n and m2 also belongs to n. If you add these two numbers plus 1, it is not possible to get 0. Therefore, this is not possible. Sum of two natural number plus 1 not equal to 0. Therefore, this condition m1 plus m2 plus 1 equal to 0 not possible. Therefore, only possible m1 equivalent to m2. We start with f of m1 equal to f of m2. We finished m1 equal to m2. We can say from this f is 1 1. See, domain n, set of natural number represented by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Each element in n represented by small x. There is a map from n to n. Codomain also natural number represented by n. Elements in codomain represented by small y. Natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dot dot dot. Now I am going to show this map is 1 1. Actually, what is given? F of m, m square plus m plus 3. Find f of 1. 1 square is 1. 1 plus 1 plus 3, which is equivalent to 5. Find f of 2. 2 square, 4 plus 2 plus 3, 9. Now I am going to find f of 3. 3 square 9 plus 3 plus 3, 9 plus 3, 12 plus 3, 15. 1 maps to 5. 1 maps to 5. 2 maps to 9. 2 maps to 9. Now I am going to mark through by arrow diagram. See, different elements in n domain has different image in codomain. Therefore, f is 1 1. In other words, every element in n domain has the image in codomain. Therefore, f is 1 1. Different elements in domain n has different image in codomain. In other words, all the elements in domain n have a image in codomain n. Therefore, f is 1 1. Here different elements in n domain as a different image in codomain n. Therefore, f is 1 1, because what we have f of 3 15, 3 as image in codomain, because codomain natural number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15, each elements in n domain as image in codomain n. Therefore f is 1 1. For proving 1 1 we have two methods. One by proving mathematically, method 1, method 2 through by arrow diagram. Whichever method is easy, you have to prove in the examination. If the question is asked for any 2 mark or 5 mark, you just write the easiest way to proving f is 1 1. This method is arrow diagram. This method is we are proving mathematically by showing f is 1 1. In this video, I have completed two problems, problem 4 and problem 5 for Tamil Nadu State Class 10 Mathematics students. I am discussing chapter 1, relations and function. In this video, I have discussed two problems from exercise 1.4. Remaining problems I will upload in the upcoming video. If you like this video, share it with your friend. Subscribe it for more videos. Thank you.